5 months ago, I challenged Jason to another game dev competition, but to make things a little more interesting, we competed in a game jam with 60 other developers, and whichever of us ranked higher in the jam would be the winner. The jam was a week long, and the theme of the jam was horror and sports meet on the battlefield, and we would be rated on horror, aesthetics, story, sound and design, and most important, enjoyment. So first things first, I Google search how to curse people and I follow this wiki how.
Step 1. Be aware of the possible outcomes. It could significantly affect your target's life. Consider forgiving and moving on. Think about why you want to take revenge. Step 2. If you decide that you want to move forward with the curse, sit down and carefully think about what you want to happen. Also make sure that you've protected yourself with an amulet. Step 3. Obtain a puppet. A doll that bears a resemblance to the target of the curse. Even a piece of paper with their name on it. It can be anything that symbolizes your target. Step 4. Put on your amulet and burn that shit. The amulet does not protect you from fire, you dumbass.
So after hospitalizing my friend with voodoo magic and burning my fingertips, I immediately started working on developing a game like Vampire Survivor. I figured sports-based power-ups and monsters as the enemies to fit the theme. Then I borrowed the sprite sheet from Kenny and did some edits to make the RPG characters and power-ups look more sporty. Then with 2 days left, I realized I can't program Vampire Survivor in a week. I needed a new idea, and fast. I could not lose to Jason again, so I recycled all my borrowed assets into a 2D platformer because those are easy to make. So I got to work right away by taking the skateboarder sprite and making him the main character with a sick double jump. Then I added this girl as a level objective, an energy drink as a speed upgrade, a hot dog, aka the glizzy, as a jump upgrade, and a rat to get in a player's way. Also, you can't ollie off of the rat, and lastly, some fire as a level hazard to add some difficulty. The game was now finished with 3 levels, a level select, an ending, some music I borrowed from the asset store, so I packaged it and shipped it. I won! Jason may have still released a game, but I came out on top, which means I really need to win next time to prove that this was just not a fluke. I can't believe Jason still managed to release a game even though he was hospitalized twice from mysterious circumstances. I had a lot of fun playing some of the other titles, but most of all, I had fun working on the game. There will be links down in the description if you want to play the games or find the assets I used.
Like, comment and subscribe to see more voodoo rituals and game dev competitions.